All right, this is my friend William, and I'll be explaining electromagnets to him. So, essentially, an electromagnet is an object surrounded with coil to concentrate the magnetic field that has current running through it, or electricity. This coil creates a circular magnetic field that has current running through it, but it's too weak to combine with other objects. So, a ferromagnetic core is often added to strengthen the field. Ferromagnetic objects, such as this iron nail here, have many smaller domains that are aligned in no specific order, canceling out electromagnetic fields. But when they're acted upon by external magnetic fields, like the magnetic field formed by this coiled wire here, all the domains in this combination are aligned in the same direction and create one stronger electromagnetic field. So now, when we add the iron nail, the magnetic field becomes much stronger and more useful when we want, say if we wanted to pick things up with it. So an electromagnetic magnet can also be turned on and off when the electrical current is removed or added. And the electromagnetic field can also be reversed by changing the direction of the current. If we stop the electricity from flowing by disconnecting it from the battery or cutting the wire off, then the electromagnetic field can be turned off. And also, we can reverse whichever way the magnetic field is going in if we change the flow of electricity. Okay, so the electromagnets are dependent on four main factors. So they're so one of them is the number of turns that the coil has around the core. So how many times it's wrapped around the core, and also the length of the coil, how much coil we use, can also affect how strong the current is. I mean the magnetic field. The third thing is the direction where the electricity is flowing in the wire. So you can head this way or this way, and this would change the direction of the electromagnetic field. And it's also dependent on the core, the material of the core of the electromagnet. So the kind of material we use for the core can strengthen or weaken the electromagnet. Okay, nowadays electromagnets are found in technology such as computer data processing, magnetic resonance imaging, or medical MRIs and electricity supplies. And that's it. Do you have any questions?
So how do you change? So for slide two, in slide two, how do you change the magnetic field?
Like change it, weaken it, strengthen it, or changing the direction? Which one?
Changing its direction.
Okay, oh, sorry. So we can change the direction of where the electricity is flowing in the wire. That we can have it move one way or the other way. We can flip the battery around to adjust this, and then the magnetic field would naturally change its direction to whichever way charge is flowing. All right. Any more questions?
Nope, that's it.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thank you.